Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Mohammad Islam. This video is going to be focused on the TurtleBot simulation. So what we want to do here is basically just move around a bot, but at the same time we want to kind of keep track of where it is, and we want to print out its coordinates so that we can keep track of where it is in the 2D window. So we are using the subscriber node that I have shown in the previous video. Let's just go through this code once again. As you can see, we are assuring at the very first line that we are going to write this script in Python 3. We are importing the Ros libraries because these are going to be used very, very vastly in this entire code. We are then importing the post class, so from the message turtle sim message. So because this is necessary because we want to have access to the coordinates of the turtle itself. We're then defining a function. This function is just going to be responsible for printing out the x and y coordinates of the turtle itself. And this is going to be called later on over here. But let's go step by step. Initially, we are making sure that this is the main program and that this is not being run by some other module or any other script. We initialize the node, give it any sort of name, but following the convention. We then introduce the subscriber variables. So as you can see, we're first passing on the topic, the post topic, because that's what we want to work with. We're then passing in the post class, and we're also passing the callback function because this will be responsible for calling this function over and over again. And we are printing this node started just to make sure that this code is running properly. And this Ros spin is basically going to spin or keep this program running over and over again. So it keeps calling the function over and over again, printing out the x and y coordinates constant. And this will keep on running as long as we don't give a request to terminate the program itself. Now, if I were to run this code over here, so let's just go over here. I'm going to run this code again. The Python, I'm already in the directory, so there's no need to go over there anymore. Python 3 subnode.python, and let's run it. So you can see the node started, but we are not seeing any x and y coordinates, and that makes sense because we don't have any simulations running. So let's just do that. Let's introduce another window, which we can actually print out. So Ros run turtle sim underscore node. So let's bring up the window, the turtle. And immediately you can see that we have some updating coordinates. This is the timestamp, and these are the coordinates of the turtle. Now these are not changing, obviously, because the turtle is not moving. So let's do a simulation of the turtle actually moving so that we can interact with it. So let's introduce the window, which already had it on. There we go. So Ros run turtle sim turtle underscore telio underscore key. As you can see, it's reading from the keyboard. Now watch what happens when I actually start moving. So the turtle is over here. I'm going to select this window, and as I move, you can see its coordinates are being updated every time. Because the turtle is moving, it allows us to update these coordinates because we're using the pose node to update these values. If I were to press on this, Control C, it's going to stop, and we can actually check the last known coordinates. And if we continue running it, we won't see any more values updated because we have executed the program. I'm going to press Q here to stop it. And this is pretty much the simulation of the TurtleBot moving around. Thank you very much for watching. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.